Our decontamination showers are meant to be lightweight, deployable, portable, so they can be transported to safe areas to treat those who have been affected. First, identifying a safe location to deploy the shower, I think, is most important. Next step would be to identify what the contaminant is to be able to know how to treat that affected appropriately or accordingly. So if you know if it's going to be a contaminant that is biological, chemical, physical, or an allergen, you can treat that with a specific type of decontamination solution. Yes, we have some inflatable as well as some rigid frame. The rigid frames are meant to be deployed fast. They're simple to assemble. The inflatables can just be plugged in and turned on, and they inflate themselves and they go up very, very quickly. So beyond that, we have some where you can add a water heater as well as the eductors and solution proportioners for the addition of specific decontamination solutions. In our decontamination solution lineup, we have single chamber and multiple lanes, inflatable and rigid frame. So based upon what the needs are of the customer, if it's going to be something very simple where you don't have a lot of people to treat, you can simply use a single stall, single lane system. If you have a number of people or a mass response need, you're going to need a larger system like a 3-lane or even something greater, which we have those systems. If you have people who need to be treated, undressed, showered, and then redressed, we have multiple chambers and multiple stalls that allow for that type of application as well. Well, we develop these all the time, and working with our customers over 30 years, we've developed many different types of systems based upon their specific needs. So we've got eductors and solution proportioners that you can add specific decontamination solution very easily into the system. You can expand the system, you can make it smaller, you can add water heaters to make it more treatable for the affected. Because we've been in business for over 30 years and have thousands of partners that we've worked with over that time, we have developed specific products, improved products where they've needed to be, and learned what our customers are asking for. So taking all of that, putting it together, seeing what we can do to improve it allows us to continue to advance and help our partners to rely on our products. If you'd like to learn more about the Western Shelter Decontamination Shower Solutions, please click the link below. Or if you have specific questions or needs that I can help with, please feel free to reach out to me at rdunn@westernshelter.com or call me at 541-514-8432.